Hello viewers, let's unbox our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Really nice package. So not much has changed other than a new ultra wide camera and AI software upgrades with Bisbee. Really nice design, ever so thin bezels. The phone is curved on the edges this time around, making it feel premium and user-friendly than previous models. Feels like a downgrade on S Pen side of things since the Bluetooth function is now removed. It has a new processor, Snapdragon Elite 8 chipset, using the latest Android out of the box, meaning tasks are processed faster and battery lasts longer, although the same 5000 milliamp battery. Multitasking is smooth and sets a high bar for flagship phones in 2025. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit notification so you don't miss the next one.